is like a foundation. You were born in sorrow. You were born in pain. Every part, every aspect of your life has been like shame. Has been like pain. Nothing to show for. You are faulty, nothing to show for. You put your hands here, nothing is working for you. It's like the spirit of Jabez is upon your life. Just as God had Jabez and increased him and expand him, I declare upon your life, every spirit finding your expansion, you are just limited, you are just small, you can't continue to be small. From now I declare, may the Lord expand you, may the Lord expand your horizon, may the Lord expand your horizon, may